Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. As you may know, I love my Milwaukee tools, as you can see back there, but there's one that is my absolute favorite, the one I would buy again, no questions asked, and it's a complete surprise to me that I thought that I would put this much value in this tool. So come with me and I'm going to share with you that now. So as you can see, I have just about every Milwaukee tool that they make. Battery chargers, all the batteries, everything you can possibly think of, especially for automotive use. Got more up here. I got them everywhere. But there's one out of all these that stand out above all of them. It surprised me because, it's not a power tool. It's not a drill. It's not an impact. What it is this precision air blower right here. So as a mechanic, I use this so much. It's incredible. But one of the things why I find it so valuable is it puts out a ton of air out of that little tiny nozzle there. And it replaces the need to run a compressor or anything like that, especially when you're doing automotive work. So come with me, I'm going to show you how I put this to work in all kinds of different automotive situations. You're going to be surprised. So in this clip here, I'm flushing the AC system, all the lines, the evap canister, the condenser, that type of stuff using a chemical. So I'm pumping this into the AC system to flush everything out, but then I need to blow the lines out. We're going to do the same thing for the evap canister here. We're going to back flush it. So we'll back flush the evap canister here. And here's where we put the Milwaukee Precision Air Blower to work and put it to use here. So I'm going to blow out all those chemicals that I put in all these lines using the Milwaukee Precision Air Blower. Do the same thing for this end of the hose here. Condenser here. So I'll put the rag down here. Blow this until you no longer see air or fluids coming out. So it's almost empty. So I'm going to blow it in both directions to make sure that the flush is out and dried. This has a flexible tip, so it makes it easy to get in there. So that's just one application where I would not have to fire up the compressor. I use this to blow out AC lines and refrigerant lines and that type of stuff to flush out anything. So the air that blows out of the tip of the Precision Air Blower is 570 miles per hour. So it's got quite a bit of pressure, so a ton of pressure, and they have a few different tips. But one of the things I like to do is before I take an engine apart, so if I was doing spark plugs or pulling that intake off, is I like to blow out the engine bay with compressed air. So I would use this tool to blow out the engine bay and get as much of that debris and dirt out of there before it falls down in the engine when you go to disassemble it. So that's one of the ways you would use this hot rod. It comes with these rubberized tips here. There's a couple of them here. It has this little magnetic tray. You quarter turn like this, pull off, and then you do the same thing on your tool here. You would quarter turn, pull off, and you can swap out your tips for different ones. I like the smallest one because it puts out the most air pressure. It's the one I use the most. And then they also have one here that you could use. This one's a hard plastic one, but you could put it in like inflatable rafts or mattresses or something like that and air up stuff like that. And it comes, like I said, it comes with this little magnetic tray that you can put it on and hold your tips. Working on a paint project or something like that, and you want clean, fresh air, they also have this filter here. This one's a little on the dirty side right now, but you can swap this out and clean these filters. That way it's filtered air blowing through. So it's going to be dry and filtered air that's blowing through. So it's pretty cool. The task I've done a couple weeks ago was I reorganized my toolbox here. This was at in storage, and this was all covered in dust. This is a pretty clean one here. But if you look here, you can see this is dusty as can be. There's lots of dust on it. So I use the Precision Blower and I helped blow that dust out, and it dramatically made my life easier when I went to clean my toolbox. So this whole toolbox was covered in dirt and debris. So I use this every day, and I blow off the top of my box. Say if you're washing your car, right? And you know how you get that water in there and that water constantly drips out. This is great for detailing cars and blowing that water out of all those crevices. So it works great for automotive detailing. It works great for automotive, blowing out stuff, just anything you would use compressed air for. This tool is so valuable. If you guys were interested in adding one of these to your collection, I will leave links for it in the description of the video. There also may be a little sticker that pops up on screen or just below in the description. You can click that link there. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.